Hi, I'm Dan Gemus.
I'm Kathy Talbot.
We are sales representatives with the Dan Gemus Real Estate team at RE/MAX Preferred Realty.
Today we're sitting with Susan Riem from RBC, and Susan is a mobile mortgage specialist. Hello, Susan.
Hello, how are you two today?
Fantastic, thank you.
Awesome.
Today we're going to talk about first-time home buyers, and what a great time to be a first-time buyer.
Absolutely. Currently, the Canadian government is allowing a lot of great incentives as a first-time home buyer in Canada.
Oh, like what?
Well, a few of the different things that they're offering is a land transfer tax benefit. So what happens is when your clients go to the lawyers, they sign an affidavit to say that indeed they are a first-time home buyer, and they can get up to $2,000 back on their land transfer tax.
That's a great savings.
Absolutely. The other incentive that people might not be aware of, and it's a government initiative as well, is they are entitled to claim up to $750 as a tax credit when they do their income tax for 2013, which covers essentially closing costs, and that's what it's meant to do.
Wow, anything else?
The third thing is the most common and probably one of the other best known is the home buyers plan. So what that is if you have funds in an RSP, because you are defined as a first-time home buyer, you're allowed to pull up to $25,000 out of that RSP, whatever's not contributed within the last 90 days, and you can repay that. You are required to pay that over a period of 15 years. So it's a significant savings considering all those three.
And it's tax-free.
And that's tax-free as long as you make your repayment.
Yeah.
So just to qualify first-time home buyer,
Yes.
Is it any time in their lifetime, or what if their spouse is a first-time buyer and they're not?
Well, it's different criteria for the three different ones. So we review that when I do the pre-approval. A pre-approval is very important for a first-time home buyer or for any purchaser to make sure that they obtain.
Okay, so we have a first-time home buyer that we're working with, and we put them in touch with Susan Riem at RBC. What is the first thing that Susan's going to do with them?
Well, I'm going to, first of all, let them know that I'm a mobile mortgage specialist, which is important so I can meet them at their home, at the bank, or their place of work. And I'm going to review the three important criteria that is required for any mortgage approval for any lender in Canada. Those three are credit history, down payment, and income confirmation.
Okay.
So Susan, earlier you mentioned closing costs, and I'm sure a lot of first-time buyers have no idea what that means. So can you expand on that, please?
For sure. Absolutely. Closing costs definitely have to be considered. Typically, this is 1.5% of the purchase price of the house. So easy math, you purchase a home for $100,000, you need to have $1,500 set aside. You may not utilize all that, you may utilize a little bit more, but closing costs cover lawyers' fees, they cover changing the utility bills.
Home inspection would be important as well.
Exactly.
Yep.
And a lawyer is one of those people that you need to have on your team, which is one of the videos that we're going to be talking about as well.
Perfect. Well, listen, Susan, thank you so much for the information as always. And, we do have more videos online that you can take a look at with regards to, again, mortgage pre-approvals and working with a team, including your lawyer, your mortgage person, and your realtors as well. So we'll have lots of that for you online. If you have any more questions, please don't be afraid to give Susan a call. Her information will be on the following screen. Thanks again for watching.
Bye.